गाइस, वी आर फाइनली लीविंग फॉर पौंडीचेरी और हम लोग नीचे पार्किंग में आ चुके हैं और हम लोग कपिल सर और रियाज के साथ। बारिश बहुत हो रही है पौंडीचेरी में, सुना है। लेट्स सी यार, अभी कुछ भी नहीं पता कि वहाँ पर क्या सिचुएशन होने वाला, बट वी रियली होप कि वहाँ पर एटलीस्ट हमारा मज़ा स्पॉइल ना हो। तो बस देखते हैं। So guys, we have just boarded the aircraft and we are just leaving for Pondicherry and yeah, कितना टाइम लगेगा हमें? 1.5 घंटे almost.
It's going to be around
1.5 hours and yeah, Kapil and Riaz are with us. So guys, we have just landed in Chennai airport and yeah, so it took us around an hour or so and yeah, here we are. So
standing here alone today, a thumb within my head is brewing. I really couldn't ever say.
So guys, this is the beach and that's the sunrise and we are like really enjoying. Yeah, we are like really enjoying this beach and this sunrise and like it's beautiful, man. It's beautiful.
Standing here alone today, a thumb within my head is brewing. I really couldn't ever say what it could end up doing. It could make me reach for the...
Hey guys, so we have just checked into the hostel and it's called Mikasa Hostel and we have been, we are looking forward to stay here for another couple of days and we'll just, hang out over here. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So we'll just go have some rest, take a bath and maybe go out for to have something or maybe to the beach. So yeah. Okay, so it's the whole washroom over here. I don't think I should make a vlog in here in the washroom. Maybe people... Okay, so Riaz and Kapil are inside, so maybe you can have a view.
You should mention that they are inside separately.
Okay. So just to correct this fact, Riaz and Kapil. Okay, that's Kapil. We got you, Kapil. So Riaz and Kapil are inside and they are bathing separately. And yeah, so we'll just freshen up in a bit and we'll just have some food and let's see what happens. Yeah. Hey guys, so we are out for dinner and we are in this beautiful place called Rock Beach and in this very delicious looking restaurant called Escape Inn Restaurant. So this is completely sea facing. As you can see, there's this whole sea behind me and yeah, that's really amazing and I mean the experience will be great according to me and yeah, so we're gonna have some dinner. Enjoy. Okay, so guys, we are in the dorm room and we have just checked in and we are just at our beds allocated and that's Riaz over there. So he's trying to clean his GoPro maybe, that's what I can see from here. And yeah, so I'm just resting. So right now we are in French French colony apparently, and yeah. So you can see like well painted buildings over here, and we're gonna enjoy a lot, and we're gonna take some good pictures. And something fell down. Okay, my bottle fell down. It usually keeps on falling down, and I keep on embarrassing myself due to that. So yeah, so coming back to the point, we are at French colony, and we're gonna enjoy a lot. Yeah, enjoy the footage.
You got me singing way oh, way oh, oh. You look like a guy who could treat me right. Way oh, way oh, oh. Boy, take a chance, will you let me ride? Way oh, oh. I could be the best thing in your life. Way oh, oh. You got me singing way oh, oh. You look like a guy who could treat me right. Way oh, oh. Boy, take a chance, will you let me ride?
So guys, right now we are in Annabelle, and
हाँ Conjuring 2 बना लो, 3 बना लो, Annabelle.
sorry. Yeah. Hey guys, we are in Auroville. Okay.
Yeah.
So hey guys, we are in Auroville today, and it's a really peaceful environment.
Yeah, very peaceful and lots of greeneries are here.
Yeah. और मतलब it's really peaceful. मैं एक ही चीज़ repeat करूँगा. Shit.
It's okay. Let's move ahead and see what's next.
Let's see. It's really very peaceful. It's really calm. It's amazing. Yeah, so it's a hell of an experience. So yeah, you should come to Auroville. Enjoy the footage. So guys, here we are at Paradise Beach, and let's see क्या होता है, because हमने सुना कि अंदर पे जाके यहाँ पे एक वो भी आइलैंड भी है, maybe तो
यहाँ पे हम Pirates of the Caribbean का हम हीरो मिल जाएगा हमें देखने के लिए. So let's see what we can do, and yeah, probably we're going to capture some good
footage. So you have something to say about it?
Yay, Paradise Beach finally! Yeah! I'm excited!
The thing is that it's like heaven, except the fact that we are not dead yet. It may be the last time that we are visiting Rock Beach. I don't know if we'll be able to come here tomorrow or not. But trust me guys, like this place is...
Every time we come, it's always a new place. Every day we come, we see something new, and we're not... The best part about this beach is, right now just Sohail shared me this, he's not able to capture the right moment or the best part of this beach, which we are able to feel here. We have tried a lot of camera angles, whatever we could, but we are not able to show you the best part of this beach. So you guys need to come here and feel it.
It's 4:30 or maybe 4 in the morning, and we haven't slept yet. And right now we are in the Rock Beach, and we are waiting for the sunrise.
Yeah, we wanted to take this shot because it's the last night we are gonna spend in Pondicherry, and everyone said that the sunrise is very good here. We are at the corner of India, so we want to see the sunrise, and we are in the east, so we wanted to see the sunrise, and we will see the sunrise.
So guys, this is the last and final day of our Pondicherry trip, and today we are planning to go to Botanical Garden, and उसके बाद फिर Mahabalipuram. So yeah. So we are in the botanical garden right now, and apparently यही वो जगह है जहाँ पर Life of Pi movie की shooting भी हुई थी. I don't know if it's right or not, but ऐसा सुनने में है कि यहाँ पे shooting हुई थी. So it's really peaceful, like almost like all the other places in Pondicherry. So it's peaceful, it's quiet, it's calm, and if you want to come to Pondicherry, then do visit this place. This botanical garden is really great, and we are trying to explore और भी चीज़ें. तो देखते हैं क्या होता है यहाँ पे और क्या क्या है यहाँ पे, सब देखते हैं. So enjoy the footage.
Standing here alone today.
Hey guys, so here we are at this beautiful place, and there's a temple यहाँ पे. We are actually at Mahabalipuram, and यहाँ पर एक beach भी है और यहाँ पर एक temple भी है. So हम लोग वो चीज़ देखें. So जाते हैं, देखते हैं. We only have half an hour left. So अभी 5 बज रहे हैं, 5:30 बजे ये जगह बंद होने वाली है. So we'll try our best to cover it up as soon as possible. Yeah, bye. Okay, so guys, this was the last part of our Pondicherry trip, and yeah, so
and let's just show them the view, like how we are heading.
Yeah, so we are here at the Mahabalipuram beach, and it's an amazing view over here.
And this 3-day trip was something which went unexpectedly very good, which we like. None of us has expected that this will be like this, as we got the news about the red alert in Chennai. Then also it was a tough decision to take because it's all 24 people who was there in the trip. So, but anyhow, we made it, and this trip is something I can say like 3 to 4 most happening trips of my life yet. So yeah, so this is just the ending moments of this trip.
So guys, this is the official ending of our trip to Pondicherry, and we are going back to Pune right now. So we are in the airport, we are in the Chennai airport, and that's how our trip ends. So yeah, bye. And now we are going back to Pune, so here's our team. This trip has been one of the most amazing trips of my life, and it has some really unforgettable memories as well. So
Hey guys, how are you? It's the last part of our show, and we are in an Indigo flight, and you can check the flight. It's really good. We came here by SpiceJet. It was not that good, so I'll switch to Riyadh.
Hi. So I'm actually running out of my words. I really don't have anything to say, but yeah, of course, we still have the same excitement because we are planning for a new journey. For sure, we are going to be a part of the next journey as well. There are a lot of people whom we interacted, and I really enjoyed the part of Pondicherry, Chennai, and we went to some other places. So yeah, I guess this is amazing, and let's watch our next shot.